Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in Windows 11, what are the first general privacy settings that you'll encounter and where they are and what actually they do. So we're going to do, of course, this video, and we're going to do the same with Windows 10. Simply right-click on your Start menu or Start button and go into Settings. Here you will go into Privacy and Security, and the first Windows permission options, you'll see General. Go to General, and here you will have 4 sliders that are possible to turn on or off. What do they do, and how do they affect you in Windows 11? First one, let apps show me personalized ads by using my advertising ID. If you are connected to a Microsoft account, what they will do with Windows is actually in apps, just like in a smartphone, apps sometimes can have ads. Well, ads can be personalized to what you do by having some tracking, or they could be random. Here, if you turn this on, the advertising will be hopefully dependent on what you do and maybe a little more showing you a little more what you might be interested in. If you turn it off, it doesn't turn off advertising, and that is very important to understand. You're not turning off advertising if you turn it off. You're just turning off the tracking, which means now it's still going to show you ads in the different apps, but it's going to show you random ads that you just have maybe no interest in. So up to you to decide if you want to be tracked for advertising or not. And if you turn it off, like I said, you're still going to have ads in the apps. Second option is let Windows websites show me locally relevant content by accessing my language list. So this has to do with apps that actually use location. These apps that use location might want to actually show you things that are around you or near you, depending on what you do, the language list, of course, French, English, so on. If you're, speak multiple languages, it's going to show you different things. Turn it on, and it's going to show you locally relevant content. Turn it off, it's just going to show you random content. As simple as that. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Now, this one is really to send some part of telemetry to Microsoft to see if apps are crashing, the speed at which apps start, or what you do, what apps you use. It's a form of tracking just to kind of, tweak Windows and the apps that are used in Windows. Gives an idea at Microsoft also which apps are relevant and popular. You can turn it on like it is now, which means they're getting that information. You can turn it off, and they're not getting any more information about launches of any apps that you have on your PC. And finally, you might have noticed suggestions within Windows in the Start menu or in the search about apps or content. And this is advertising within Windows, and I hate that because I think it diminishes the quality or the importance of what Windows is, and it should not have any advertising within the Windows operating system itself. This one I usually turn off, so you can switch it off, and that means there's no more suggested content within Windows when you go to settings or when you search and stuff like that. It's the only one that I personally switch off because I don't want to have that in Windows. For the rest, I don't care much about it. I rather have, if I have to have ads, I rather have ads that might be interesting to me than random ads. But, it all has to do with what privacy you want. You can turn all of those 4 off to maximize your privacy. But like I said, some of them still give you ads, and it's just that the tracking is not there, and so you won't have anything personalized. So if that is a concern to you, you can switch all of them off in Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.